IBA grads, gateway to your desired future.
Hello and welcome to this part two of current affairs. This is Syed Mohammad Wasim Hussain from IVA Grads. So the first topic for this part of current affairs is the passport fee reduction by the government. The government reduced the passport fee for the 10-year passport by 50%, and after this reduction, the normal 36 pages 10-year passport will now cost only rupees 7,900. The situation of COVID-19 is Pakistan is our second topic. Pakistan reported 958 new cases and 47 deaths in 24 hours. Pakistan also conducted 31,905 tests in the span of 24 hours. This data was last updated on February 16th, as of February 16th. Government hints at lifting COVID-19 restrictions from March 1. The Federal Cabinet meeting on Wednesday decided to lift all the restrictions on businesses from March 1 that had been placed last year to curb the spread of COVID-19. Talking about cricket, Pakistan became first test side to win 100 T20 matches. Pakistan on Sunday became the first test playing side to reach the 100 win mark in T20s. PSL 6, as we all know, is going on, and it will last from 20 Feb till 22nd March in Karachi and Lahore partly. Isra Bilgic, actress who became famous from Turkish drama series Ertugrul, is part of the Peshawar Zalmi Kingdom. Firstly, 30% of the crowd was allowed to physically attend the matches. The National Commander Operation Committee (NCOC) issued no objection certificate (NOC) on the 30% crowd attendance, but now that figure has been increased to 50%. Pakistani rupee versus US dollar. Pakistani rupee strengthened against US dollar. The Pakistani rupee continued to strengthen against the US dollar on Wednesday as it appreciated by 28 paisa against the greenback and the interbank. The new conversion rate is 1 US dollar is equals to 159.05 PKR. The next topic is government appoints Masroor Khan as Chairman Agra. The government has appointed Masroor Khan as Chairman Oil and Gas Regulatory Authority Agra. Um, this is something to be proud of as Pakistanis. Pakistani doctors' book featured in the Book Authority. Dr. Zubaida Sirang's book Optics Made Easy ranked number 2 in Books Authority's list of 23 best new optics books to read in 2021. Dr. Sirang is an eye surgeon from Chitral, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. She completed her MBBS from Aga Khan University in Karachi and is pursuing a specialization in surgical uh, studies from Ireland. ACCA record. This is something, one more thing for Pakistanis to be proud of. Last week, Zara Naeem, an ACCA student from Lahore, was declared the global prize winner for scoring the highest marks in the financial reporting exam conducted in December 2020. बाई इलेक्शंस बाई इलेक्शन मतलब कि सिमनी इंतखाबात आपने उर्दू में न्यूज़ में ज़रूर सुना होगा ये उन सीट्स पे होते हैं जो सीट्स खाली हो चुकी होती हैं किसी भी वजह से जैसे कि डेथ हो गई अगर उस सीट के जो मिनिस्टर हैं उनकी तो उसके उसके बाद फिर बाई इलेक्शन होते हैं सो द बाई इलेक्शन वर हेल्ड अक्रॉस द कंट्री ऑन द सीट्स व्हिच वर एम्प्टी ड्यू टू डिफरेंट रीजंस एंड उसमें बहुत सारी जगह जो है वो ऑपोजिशन और गवर्नमेंट के बीच में लाइक इख्तलाफात हुए फॉर रिगिंग बट NA-75 दैट इज डस्का उसमें जो है वो इलेक्शन कमीशन ने दोबारा जो है रीपोलिंग का फैसला दे दिया है क्योंकि उसके रिजल्ट्स में बहुत देर हुई थी और डिफरेंट और भी मसले मसाइल हुए थे लड़ाई झगड़े ऑफ डिफरेंट पार्टी वर्कर्स और जो है वो बहुत सारे ऑफिशियल्स जो है मिसिंग थे इलेक्शन के दिन के बाद तो इन सब रीजंस की बिना पर इलेक्शन कमीशन ने NA-75 डस्का में दोबारा री इलेक्शन का जो है वो हुक्म दे दिया और इसके खिलाफ जो PTI गवर्नमेंट है वो हाई कोर्ट में अपील भी दायर कर चुकी है so these were some current affairs topics for this part. Hope they'll help you. Best of luck for your interviews. Thank you so much.